The past 20 years, the office environment has changed drastically. Once upon a time, having a private conversation at work was as easy as closing the door to your office.
Hey, would you mind coming into my office? I'd like to talk to you about our product roadmap.
I've got some great company news to share, but I don't want it to get out to the team yet.
With the invention of the cubicle, companies were able to be more flexible with office floor plans and increase the density of workers. Unfortunately, along with this flexibility came the loss of privacy and an increase in distracting noises, loud conversations, and unwelcomed ears.
That guy across the room sure spends a lot of time talking to his girlfriend.
More recently, open floor plans have become popular as a cost-effective way to improve collaboration and creativity. However, without walls and doors, and with less sound-absorbing materials being used by architects, there's even a greater loss of sound privacy. Research shows that nearly 2/3 of office workers believe they would be much more productive if they worked in a quieter environment, and that workers lose 86 minutes of working time each day due to distractions. In fact, lack of sound privacy is the #1 complaint of cubicle and open plan employees. Whispering becomes the norm, noise-canceling headphones become a necessary fashion statement, and sneaking off to a hallway, a corner of the cafeteria, or even heading outside becomes part of the game required to get the job done. QT Pro sound masking, powered by quiet technology, represents the next generation of sound masking to help protect speech privacy, reduce noise distractions, and increase productivity in the workplace. Each direct field emitter faces down, providing even sound masking distribution in the office. This performance-driven approach reduces office noise distractions while masking nearby human speech, yet it preserves the natural aspects of normal conversations. QT Pro sound masking is specially tuned at the same frequency levels as human speech. Conversations overheard at just a short distance away become harder to understand and therefore less distracting.